In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Costa Coffee app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a Play or App Store on our device. And now from here, we want to go and do a search. So go ahead and click on search at the bottom of the page. And now it says search apps and games. Type in Costa Coffee and then hit enter. And then scroll down and find the Costa Coffee app that is in your location. So I'm going to choose the first one here just for demonstration purposes. Now from here, I'm going to click on install. So what this is going to do is download and install the Costa Coffee app on my device. So just give that a few moments to do its thing. And depending on how quick your phone is or your internet speed is, how fast you're going to download and install the app. So yeah, just give it a few moments. All right, so there you go. It took probably about 20 seconds. Then from here, you want to simply go ahead and click on open. And now you got to select your country from here, and then you need to create an account as well.